Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset keyboard settings. Okay, so let's begin. We need to open up our settings. Once we are here, we can click on the search icon. It will be the fastest option. Simply type now keyboard, now select keyboard toolbar, now simply scroll down. And in here we have option to reset to default settings. Simply click in here. Now click on reset keyboard settings. Click on reset. And now our options, our settings has been successfully resetted. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.